How is it going, everyone? It's Rob from Paragon, and welcome back to another customer car spotlight. This time, however, the customer could be you because this car is for sale. This is another Paragon and Shottenkirk Chevrolet Corvette build, and it's a 2025 C8 Z06 in the all-new competition yellow. We're gonna check that out in a little bit, but to remind you of that new partnership, I'm here with Corvette Cory from the dealership, who's gonna remind us about it. Corvette Cory, can you tell us a little bit more about that?
Yeah, sure can. Well, the partnership has been great so far. Had some success with the first video. Over 10,000 people viewed the video that we did, and it was a really cool experience from our side of things, just getting to interact with customers that are passionate about C8s. So with the partnership, customize the car with Paragon, and then make it your own. So it's been really neat.
So essentially, a customer can come to you, order a C8 Corvette in whatever variation or spec they would like, and then right around the corner it'll come over to here to us, get whatever modifications and parts they'd like installed, and then right back to you so they can take delivery of their brand new car already modified, ready to rock and roll. That's essentially what this car is. It is for sale and it's got some Paragon modifications on it. So without further ado, let's go ahead and check this car out. Like usual, starting off here in the front of the car, it is a brand new Corvette, so we wanted to keep it safe and sound and protected. That's why we added our Paragon Performance Z06 and E-Ray front grille guards to keep those radiator fins looking nice and new. Down below those, we have the carbon fiber front lip and carbon fiber dive planes, making for an aggressive looking front end on this Corvette. Moving wide into the side of this car, it is of course lowered using our Paragon lowering collars in the front and the turn down with our wrenches in the rear, lowering it 1/4 inch from the factory ride height, giving it a proper Corvette ride height. In addition, also helping with that stance is going to be our Paragon 20mm wheel spacers, pushing these beautiful 2025 wheels out flushed with the side of the fenders. We also can see through those beautiful wheels the color matched calipers in competition yellow to match the exterior color. Those look pretty nifty, bringing an extra pop of color there. And wrapped around those beautiful new wheels is the Cup 2R tires, those sticky ones. Now, when you have tires like that, the Paragon extended splash guards in the front and the rear are a must-have item. Helping bring a little carbon fiber to the side is the carbon fiber side skirt. Above that, we have the Paragon wide-angle mirrors and the Paragon LED sequential mirror cap light. Last but not least, we can see something's going on with the roof. We've got a kind of two-toned situation with black and yellow going on. That would be because we did our custom roof wrap on it. So the A-pillars, the roof, the back camera part, and of course the deck lid all have a gloss black vinyl wrap done to give it a two-toned kind of design, breaking up some of the yellow, giving it a little bit of contrast. Almost reminds me of kind of the narcells on the convertible, but after all, it is a coupe. So kind of cool with this roof wrap done up to it. It's black and yellow, so I'm sure Wiz Khalifa would certainly approve. Black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow. And here at the back of the car, it is a Z07 optioned car, so naturally we have the Z07 wing. This is in carbon fiber, which looks fantastic back here, giving an aggressive look and styling to the rear end of the car. Down below that wing, we have the European style taillights, which got rid of the remaining red that was on this car and instead swapping out for a European style look. A clear kind of silver or smoked reflector check mark there and clear lenses, upgraded features, super popular item, these taillights, and like we say all the time, they look fantastic on these cars. This is certainly no exception. And moving to the engine bay on this brand new Corvette. It is a Z06, so naturally we get the LT6 manifolds in black. But bringing a little bit of that exterior color to the engine bay is the engine builder Plaque and the hatch support brackets, both in competition yellow. Helping with this beautiful engine bay appearance is the Paragon GM branded Corvette billet bars, the Paragon GM branded caps for the oil and coolant, and bringing the littlest bit of carbon fiber back here is the Paragon hood struts, helping to lift that deck lid up all the way every time. And for the new owner to hide their little bit of extra junk in the trunk, we have the Paragon branded trunk cover, making for one exceptional looking engine bay on this Corvette. And here on the inside of this car, believe me, it is just as beautiful as the exterior is. We've got carbon fiber everywhere with the level 2 carbon fiber package that was optioned. So got some carbon fiber on the door, carbon fiber wheel, carbon fiber around your gauge cluster, and who could forget the ginormous carbon fiber here in the center console. That looks fantastic with the stealth package that was optioned as well. We've got white stitching all throughout the wheel, interior of the car, and on these beautiful GT2 bucket seats. And in case that wasn't enough carbon fiber for you, don't worry, we've got some extra here on the custom AMT door sill that says Z06 in white with some competition yellow accents. And you might be asking, what would happen if we took carbon fiber and yellow and put it together? Well, that would leave us with none other than the yellow carbon fiber key fob cover. This thing looked awesome, very fitting inside this car, and it might also look good in your pocket. Like I said, this car is for sale, and if it does look like it's the right one for you, you better hit up Corvette Cory fast, because the last one we did a video on like this sold within 12 hours. So beautiful car, absolutely stunning, just gorgeous. And there you guys have it. That is a quick look at this 2025 C8 Z06 offered through Paragon Performance and Shottenkirk Chevrolet. Corvette Cory, we're so happy to have partnered with you to make some awesome Corvettes like this. Once again, can you remind the people about what they can do?
Yeah, absolutely. You know what? Reach out to me, 515-423-4498 or CoryTass@shottenkirk.com. Customize the car with Paragon and buy with Corvette Cory. I really appreciate the opportunity, Rob. So.
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely. We're looking forward to so many more kind of pre-built cars like this, where if you see it online and it's perfect for you, you know who to hit up and get in contact, or you can build your own from start to finish. Really cool partnership and opportunity here. We're excited to share with you guys. Thank you so much, Cory.
Yep, thanks.
If you enjoyed, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one.